What are you getting frustrated about, Sam? Is it the hiccups? You don't like having the hiccups, huh? You want me to scare them out of you? See if I can scare them out of you, Sam. What's that? You can go ahead. I won't sneak up behind you and scare you, I promise. Feel better? No? Oh, still got the hiccups. I don't know what to do. Oh, is this what you're going for?